Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a wedding save the date website on Wix. The first thing you will need to do is go onto wix.com, and with wix.com you'll be able to create a website for completely free. All you'll need to do is create an account using your email address. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on create new site. After selecting create new site, I want you to tap on Wix. After selecting Wix, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you are going to tap on set up without AI. After selecting set up without AI, I want you to tap on the search bar, and from there, you're going to simply type in save, and you're going to see the option wedding save the date, or you can tap on save the date right here. Then you're going to tap on next. After selecting next, you can enter the name of your website. So let's say, for example, I would like to name this Tess and Jason. So do that. Then I'll tap on next. After you have done that, from here you can select the plugins that you would like to be added to your website. So you'll need the events plugin, which you'll be able to use to create events and also track RSVPs. And you can also select chat, as you can see right there. Now, if you would, for example, like to add blog, you can do that. And if you would like to add your Instagram feed, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. After selecting next, we're going to tap on begin with a template. By doing this, you'll be provided with numerous templates that you can use. Even as a complete beginner, you'll be able to create a stunning website. And I normally recommend that you use one of the top recommended ones right here, but you can scroll down and you can select whichever one to your liking. So let's say, for example, I would like to use. Once on this page, you could tap in the box right here and you could type in some information about yourself and your partner, and then you could tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will compose articles and content to add to your website. Once you're finished, you could tap on the X, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now this is how your website looks at the moment. Now to change the image, if you want to change the image, which more than likely you will simply tap on quick edit after hovering over the page. Then from there you could tap on change, then select image, and now you will see a pop-up window. In this pop-up window, you can tap on upload media and you could upload an image from your device. Or you could type in right here. So let's say, for example, I type in couples, and you can see some copyright free images that you can use, as you can see right here. And from here you could select our image. So I can select any one of these images. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this image just for example's sake. Then tap on change background. After you have done that, you can see that the background image has now been changed, as you can see right there. And also to change the title, you can tap right here and you will be able to change the title. Once you are finished, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then you can scroll down and you can continue making changes. Also, by hovering over this section, so let's do that real quick. By hovering over this section once more, you will see the option quick edit. You could tap on that to make any changes. And if you would like to add something more, you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on add elements. From here, if you would like to add a text box or video, you can do that. And if you would like to view all the pages that are currently on your website, you could tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then you can see all the pages, so you could select our story. After selecting our story, you will be redirected to that page, and from here you can make the edits, as you can see here. So you can simply tap on an image if you like to change the image. You can also edit the text, as you can see right there. And by going over to the top left hand corner once more, you could tap there and you can select wedding party, and you will see the wedding party page, as you can see right here. So here are the bridesmaids, as you can see there, and the groomsmen, and you can edit all of this information. So you could add your own bridesmaid and groomsmen images and also their name. So it is quite easy to set up. And with the template that Wix provides you with, you can do it step by step to create a stunning save the date website, and it will look very professional even if you're a complete beginner. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. Then you can tap on preview to preview how it looks. Then you'll select publish, and from there you'll be able to share your website with everyone for completely free. So you can see it right there. And if you would like to select one, you could tap on their name or so on. And to view the other pages, you could tap here. So let's say, for example, the wedding. I could tap right there. You can see the date of the wedding, and by scrolling down, you can see the option to register now. If you were to tap on that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, they'll be able to book their RSVP. So they enter their first, last name, email address, and then tap on submit, as you can see right there. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.